So what is up today, guys? Today we are back in Nevada and we have at least 2 mines today for you that we're going to check out. 2 abandoned mines. The first one is the Nightingale mine and the other one is the Pershing mine. So we're going to check these out and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so we made it to, this is pretty much the top of where the Nightingale mine is. You can see behind us is a huge cavern. Alright you guys, so kind of climbed down to this cavern here. Just gonna check it out a little bit. Looks like they put some metal. It looks like they covered that in. Or tried to anyway. Oh, that goes in there a little bit. More garnet right there. Right there. Yeah, it's cool looking. Oh, this is just...
Oh wow, you really got my hopes up on this one.
I know, right? It ends right here. This is just someone's little prospector mine. There's another mine shaft. That thing is deep. We're gonna do a rock test to see if we can hear it hit bottom or anything.
Oh man, you're ready.
We probably won't be able to. Alright, go ahead.
You can see the vents. That wasn't that deep.
Yeah, it doesn't sound that deep. Alright, so it's not that deep, but it looks very treacherous. Alright, so you can see right there where the thing is just collapsed, where the rift in the earth is cut by just huge caverns. Let's go head down and check them out. Alright guys, so that's what we were looking at before. We just walked down here. But check this out. Oh, you can feel the cold air coming out of there?
Well,
Right.
cool air is a good sign. Means there's ventilation. So,
Huh?
cool air is a good sign. Look at that. Look at how flat that rock is.
It's still... Dude, be
What?
careful with that thing.
I gotta pull the hammer all the way back.
Try not to
One
put
of the
any of
hammer.
your hands on any of this wood.
That's just put your hands underneath and as you're trying to rock, fucking pressure the gym off the wall. Honestly.
Wait. Shh. Okay. Did you hear that? Did you hear a thud? I heard like a doom.
Look at this paint on the wall, man. Flashlight. Isn't that
Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool. Well, how far are we going?
Probably go straight down
Be careful. This is very good footing.
Solid rock. They blew it out. Yeah, look.
Dang.
That's cool.
Whoa.
That's too cool.
Oh, wow. It's like the little, so they kept all their supplies and stuff. That's crazy.
It ends down here, it's not much further.
No. What's it look like? Yeah, yeah.
This time. I smell asbestos.
Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, so we're leaving the Nightingale mine area and we're gonna head up a little bit north to the Pershing mine area. Alright, now we're walking up on the tunnel that we could see from way up there. Alright, so we're heading to the Pershing mine and we're driving a little bit north, and I kind of went off the trail a little bit and we found this. Looks like that's like a foundation right there. Oh, this goes down. Oh yeah, this is somebody's old cabin here. The roof is caved in. You see the old screen there? It's an old miner's cabin. Let's see what it looks like from the top. So yeah, they used to cover them with dirt. The whole thing, but yeah. Someone probably lived in here at one time. Or maybe it was a storage and then the house was there. Kind of makes more sense, but I don't know. Alright, so we just found this building here falling apart. Lots of sheet metal everywhere. Lots of nails. Someone was out here in 2017, that says. You wanna help me out here? Oh, what'd you? Oh my god. Damien is caught in the water.
Get over here, help me. Serious?
Alright, I'm coming.
Right here.
Ow! Ooh, that was in there.
Oh, I was playing. I thought that come out of me.
Stay out, stay alive, folks.
Yeah, stay on toast.
Alright guys, so I guess that's where I'm going to end the video today. We got to see inside of some mines out here in Nightingale and Pershing. I guess today's going to be a short video. We're going to start heading back and get some food. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like exploring videos, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, and we will see you out there. Bye guys.